Hey guys, in this video I am gonna be telling you how you can perform SMS and call bombing by using Termux. So let's start. To install TBomb in Termux, you first need to install some packages. To install packages, type the following command. I have already installed the packages. In your case it may take 2 to 3 minutes, so be patient. Now install the tool by using following command. Link for the tool is given in description box below, so do check it out. Now open the tool directory and run the tool by using bash command. Now follow the given steps to install requirements of the tool. It may take 2 to 3 minutes. I will not skip the video to show you the actual process. The tool is now perfectly installed. You can select SMS or call bombing from the options below. To explain you the working of this tool, I will demonstrate SMS bombing. Enter your country code and victim's mobile number and press enter. Now enter number of SMS to send victim and press enter, and now select time interval and press enter. After some time SMS bombing will start. As you can see, the messages start coming after a while. Now enjoy. Don't forget to like the video, comment down below and subscribe my channel for more such amazing videos.